hopefully we have seen enough snow for the month of February. March is closing in, so we'll see what happens. Whoa. All right. There's a lot of footprint. So usually we have a cycle track. I usually walking through the woods right here, right through these woods. But today, I won't be going through this wood. I'll take a pass in the woods today. This is it. This is what it look like, right? What it look like. This is what this wooded area look like. So keep watching, guys, and stand by until I move on to the next phase. Tomorrow, yeah, when it gets much warmer. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, no problem. Guys playing domino today?
No.
No dominoes. Yeah, it's kind of too cold. You just clean this up, bro. Let it dry. Because the ball doesn't run.
No, it's mud.
It's mud. Oh, okay, I see it. Look, some people walk across. What is that? A dog. So the dog just walked. Do that. So what are you guys doing today now? We're gonna. All the equipment that they use. I think this is like more like a grinder. Somebody put the leaves and they put all these stumps. This is where they put. This is all these branches and stumps that they use when they cut them down. They call it pruning. So they put them in this machine and giving you what is going on here today outside. I'm gonna see if I can make it across this patch of ice here. If I can make it, I'll let you know. I think I can make it. Yo! This is it! Snow is melting. The snow is melting. So welcome back, guys, to another video, guys. Welcome back. This is Asa Video Tours. So I'll be taking a walk through this community here and through the area at large to see what's going on after the aftermath of this terrible snowstorm we've been having. Snow, sleet, rain. So I'm going to be walking through a couple of places in this area and the surrounding area. So stand by. So there's still a lot of snow on the ground. A lot of snow on the ground, so just stand by, guys. Yeah, so stand by, guys. So we're gonna be taking a little walk and see if the snow is melting or not. So bear with me as I loop around wherever the roads lead me today. I'll be traveling, so I'm gonna take a walk over into that area. There used to be a bike track or a running track over in this area, which is now completely covered with snow, and management didn't do anything to clean it up. So I'm going to take you there with me to see if they did anything. If not, I'll just walk across if I'll be sinking in the snow. But there's a lot of snow. Today, so far, it's 41 degrees Fahrenheit. So with the sunshine, maybe the snow will melt a little bit. Not a lot. In order for the snow to go away, you have to have like a nice shower of rain. But I'll show you guys what is going on as I take my walk. So there you are, a little melting going on in and around. Right there, this is where I was yesterday. So it seems like they were shoveling here and they came to a stop here, because if they continue shoveling this area, it will have to lead out to the streets over there. And normally have a path that walks from that area to this area and beyond. So that area is still covered with snow. There's no track. So I don't know when management is going to do that. So let's walk. So the snow is still a little bit high. But let me walk into these footprints here. If I can go across. Oh wow. I didn't carry my eye boots, but it's not that soft, so I'll just keep on this track and walk across to the other side. So hopefully we have seen enough snow for the month of February. March is closing in, so we'll see what happens. Whoa. All right. There's a lot of footprint. So usually we have a cycle track dash running track coming from that direction all the way around to that side, and it goes around and come back around, but management didn't do a good job. They probably think that it's too much work for them to do that, and it's also winter time, so they say who's going out for a run. But there's many parks out there who have cleaned up the tracks and people can actually run. So here it is. You can look 12 o'clock. This is the Grand Central Parkway going east. So let's keep walking. So I'm walking on ice, guys. When I mean ice, the snow, when the temperature drops, it becomes ice. But it's getting a little bit mushy now because of the sun. Yeah, a little bit mushy. So the sun is like coming up. You can see me, I'm in the middle of all snow here, the middle of all snow. I'm completely surrounded by snow. Yeah. So let's walk again. So it's kind of melting here. You can see the grass here. It's melting. Right, so this is where the track was, guys. See where the track is right here? See? So I can tell you. So this is the exact track. So it runs all the way around and come around, come all the way around, and it comes back here. So you could see the tarmac here, or the asphalt. Right here. So let's walk, guys. Let's walk. But this is just an evening walk. Even though it's winter time, we all should take a walk. So the sidewalks here is beautifully cleaned. Right here, going in that direction. So I'm going to be heading, as I said, that's the Grand Central Parkway right there, the Grand Central Parkway. So I'm going to be heading in this direction to see what the highway looks like. So this is the Grand Central Parkway. From here it's going east. That's it. Traffic are going east on this side and going west on that side. So it's heavy traffic here, guys. Heavy traffic. I usually walking through the woods right here, right through these woods, but today I won't be going through this wood. I'll take a pass in the woods today. This is it. This is what it look like. Right? This is what it look like. This is what this wooded area look like. So keep watching, guys, and stand by until I move on to the next phase. All by myself, walking in this creepy area. It's not really creepy, guys. Don't bother me. It's like it's in a park, a place they call Cunningham Park, but this is under the highway. You could see right there. It's under the highway. Yeah. So it's not too bad. Yeah. So for everybody out there, this is where the sanitation department takes all the snow after this hurricane. I'm sorry, after the hurricane. After the snowstorm, this is where everything is. There's mountain of snow, guys. Mountain of snow right here. Mountain of snow. All the trucks parked on this side. Yeah. Snow and debris, everything right over on this side of the fence, guys. Everything is hard here. That.
Okay, have a blessed day.
So what are you guys doing today now? We're gonna still move.
Just finished dumping.
Okay.
And now we're about to go to lunch.
Lunch, good. Good time to get a break. You've been working all morning?
All morning.
What time you woke up?
I wake up 4:30.
4:30.
4:30.
What time you start your daily?
At 6.
At 6. Oh, okay. Good to know. What's your name?
Elizabeth Sanchez.
Elizabeth, I'm Ozzy from Ozzy Video Tour on YouTube.
Okay.
So you see, you said you want to subscribe to my channel. Let's put in Ozzy Video Tours. Video Tours, okay? Take care.
God bless you. Take
Okay.
care. Have a great day.
You too. So this is the dump site sanitation department, guys. This is where they dump everything. It may be snow, debris, garbage. This is where. All right. This is all the equipment that they use. I think this is like more like a grinder or somewhere they put the leaves and they put all these stumps. This is where they put This is all these branches and stump that they use when they cut them down. They call it pruning. So they put them in this machine and grind it up, you know, to bits and pieces right there. So this park where I'm approaching, guys, we usually have a lot of people here. It doesn't matter if it's winter or summer. People are always out. Merely summertime, you'll get more people, but due to the snowstorm, recent snowstorm, and the track and all that, I don't think they clean the entire place up. But we'll see as we approach. Right over here, it's just strictly snow. Everything is covered on the snow. The gentleman here exercising, so he's running. Yeah, so we're gonna approach and do a 360 walk around this area. It's all snow, all snow. It will take a time before anything, the entire snow are melting. Somebody actually made up a snow, 2 snow persons there. Let's see if I could, right down there, 12 o'clock, right there. They can make it across. It's the snow is kind of heavy right here. Let's go closer. Someone did a good job here, guys. A good job of making little snowman, snow lady, I don't know. Here we go. Let me go back on the street. You were walking or you was running?
Huh?
Oh, you were walking or running?
No, I was walking. I was coming from the bathroom.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you want to check out my channel as a video tour on YouTube? I'm doing a piece on the park right now.
All right.
You want to say anything to anybody out there for this damn snow that's falling all the time?
Don't let the snow get you in a bad mood. God keeps blessing you and waking up every day, so use that as motivation to become better every day.
Good. So check me out as a video tours.
No problem.
Yeah.
Go to my YouTube.
Yeah.
Very cool.
So put OSSIE space video tours, TOUR. You see it up there already?
Yep.
Okay, and you see my face? Oh, that's me, yeah. Subscribe. Thank you very much, man. Watch the video.
No problem.
All right, take care. All right. So I just got a subscriber. You have to be friendly with people. Some people are unfriendly, but some people are. So you have, as you approach them, just say something nice and get their attention. And if they're interested, sorry about that. If they're interested, they'll subscribe to your channel. That's how it goes. It's all about the power of YouTube and the power of the cameras here. So there's a lady there exercising there. So I'm gonna be taking a little walk here to see what this place looks like. Guys, look at snow, man. If you're not used to snow or you don't live in the northeast or in a country that accumulates snow, and as far as they're saying that it's about 20 inches of snow in New York City alone. Can you imagine upstate New York or in Boston or over in Canada? It have to be at least 30 foot or 30 feet, I must say, of snow. So it's all snow. It's all snow. How you doing, guys?
Fantastic.
You taking a walk?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. It's better today, 41 degrees.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I want to appreciate
yeah.
it.
All right. So as I go along, guys, let's just walk and give you guys the view of the entire park, still covered with snow. Yep. And there are a few people out here that's taking in the bright sunshine that we don't have in a while. We have some bright sunshine here, guys. Look at it. The sky is just clear, beautiful. Look. It looks like a normal summer day. Bright sunshine. So hope it melt the snow fast enough. Let's see. Oh, there's a little patch here. Green grass over here. Let's take a walk. So we do have a bathroom here in the park. Look at this, man. Look at this, guys. Standard. This place is huge. And this is the aftermath, guys, of the blizzard of 2026. Yeah, I think we survive it. We do survive it, guys. We do. So there's women's bathroom over here, and then we have men's. So if you come to the park, you could get somewhere to, you could use the bathroom. I don't know if bathrooms are open. Yeah. So we do have a group of guys that play bocce. Guys, you ever heard of the game called bocce? I think it's B-O-C-C-E. They play this every day. The old timers, the retirees, they come in and play this game. And I see that they're cleaning up the bocce, what do you call it? The bocce floor, or whatever you want to call it. So I guess these guys are going to be playing bocce soon. This is the bocce court, you might call it bocce court right here. Hello fellas, you guys playing today? You playing the game today? No? Too wet, okay. Alright, I was just coming to film you guys and show you people what you guys do. Tomorrow, yeah, when it gets much warmer, yeah, okay.
Dry it up a little.
Yeah, okay, cool. Alright, no problem. Yeah. You guys playing domino today?
No.
No dominoes. Yeah, it's kind of
We
too
just
cold.
clean this.
You just clean this up, bro.
Trying to make it, let it dry.
Let it dry, yeah. Because the ball doesn't run if it's...
No, it's mud.
It's mud.
You just step in
Oh,
and
oh, okay, I see it. Look, some people walk across. What is that? A dog. So the dog just walk across the field here, man. Look at that. They're gonna walk. See you guys, man.
take care.
Take care.
Take care.
All right. So they're waiting to play the game of bocce. The problem is the court is wet and it's made of mud, so it has to dry before, because they roll a ball up and down to and from and hit the ball like, you know, like you're playing skittles back home in Jamaica or whatever, or pool. They throw the ball and the ball runs from one end to the other. There's two teams. I think it's a green team and a red team, and the first team that wins, hit the ball, and second one here, I think they win the game. So that's what I heard when I first came here first. So the ball is placed right here in this little here and right over there. So that, you know, start from here to there. The game of bocce. Look it up, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section if you ever heard of the game of bocce and where it originated from. All right. I'm just gonna take a walk around this this park and just stand by. So the park As clean up the track here. You could run on this track, walk, cycle, and it's all the way around that side, come all the way around, come back around to this area. So the park, the city park, they did a very good job of cleaning up this area so people could run and jog. People still exercise during the winter time. Depends on the time. It depends on the weather. Some people still exercise. So this is more like an exercise area. Walking, jogging, cycling, whatever you want to do. The walkway at the park, people are still out with their kids and family enjoying the day. This is to me, I would say this day is one of the best days so far, right throughout the winter, the cold, the snowstorm, the blizzard. This is one of the best days, and people are out having fun with their family, or who's not jogging, walking, hanging around, So that's the way it is. How you doing, sir? Yeah. So a lot of snow still on the ground. A lot of snow. Gonna take time before we come back to normal. I can't wait for the month of April. That will be a time when things kind of level off and hopefully no snow. But I still don't trust the month of March. We could still get some snow, but hopefully not. So as I go along, guys, I'm just showing you the aftermath of this snow. There's a lot of snow on the ground. As you can look far and wide, there's a lot of snow still around. Yeah, a lot. It's a condominium slash, I think it's a condominium, I'm not sure, but this is how it looks like. Yeah, sidewalk still, a lot of white stuff, which we call snow, and right over there is a mini parking lot. So keep watching, guys, keep watching. This is the aftermath of this dreaded blizzard that we had the other day. We did a good job, we survived. We did survive this blizzard. Thank God for that, guys. So I'm just showing you guys around. You have an idea what we went through this blizzard here in New York City, guys. So this is it. That is full. Everybody's moving around, and this is what it looked like here at the intersection of Francis Lewis Boulevard and Hillside Avenue. Packed parking lot. Cold, still 40-something degrees. I think it's going back down to about 31 degrees later on tonight. So this is what it looked like. So we're here walking through the aftermath of that blizzard. So things is coming back to normal. We still do have some snow here on the corner. A lot of snow here. But still not yet melt. But they're taking up a parking spot here. That's what they're taking up, a parking spot. But that's okay. This is it, guys. This is it. Just giving you what is going on here today outside. So I'm gonna see if I can make it across this patch of ice here. If I can make it, I'll let you know. I think I can make it. Yo, this is it. Snow is melting. The snow is melting. We got an eventful evening, guys. An eventful evening right outside here. Let's take a look. I think I'm gonna go across the street to that Ideal. See what they got. The bus is in my way. I'll wait until the traffic lights say go, but I'll go. kid go. Six. Yeah. 24 to road to the upfield. Alright guys. I'm gonna get across this kinda.
What was your attitude?
Still have a lot of snow on the sidewalks right here. I don't think anybody's gonna rent these anytime soon to move around. Yeah, snow. They call them electric bikes that you could move around. Park here on the sidewalks. All the way up. So the streets are clear and clean. The sun is out. Traffic is moving. Start to back up right now, but it's okay. So I'm just telling you guys what happened outside here on the street today. Take a nice little walk to show you the aftermath of the blizzard that we had a couple days ago. So everything is winding down. Hopefully we don't get any more. Hopefully not. But as you can see for yourself. So I think I'm going to be winding down this video today. It's a short walk, a short view of what is going on outside today. So let's take a final walk. So these electric scooters are here in the ice, waiting for someone to ride them. But it's gonna be hard. Take a walk with me guys, continue to walk with me and let me just show you a little further down.